With the rapid growth of the automotive industry, waste tires are generated every year. Proper recycling of these tires is essential not only for environmental protection, but also for recovering valuable materials such as rubber and steel. In this video, we demonstrate a tire recycling process, showing how scrap tires are transformed into reusable rubber particles and separated steel. The recycling process begins with the tire shredder. Waste tires are fed into the machine, where tear the tires into smaller pieces. After this initial shredding stage, the tires are reduced into manageable rubber blocks that can be further processed in the next steps. The shredded tire pieces then move to the steel wire separation machine. Inside this machine, the rubber blocks are crushed and stretched so that the embedded steel wires begin to separate from the rubber. This step is important because tires contain a significant amount of steel wire. The material passes through a magnetic separator. The magnetic separator automatically attracts and removes the steel wires from the mixture. The separated steel wire is collected as a valuable secondary raw material. Next, the material enters the rubber crusher. Here, the rubber pieces are further reduced into smaller particles. This stage helps prepare the material for precise separation and classification. The remaining rubber material moves to the vibrating screen system. The first vibrating screen is used to separate fine rubber powder from the larger rubber particles. Rubber powder has a variety of applications, including use in rubber products, sports surfaces, and industrial materials. After that, the larger rubber particles pass through another vibrating screen, which classifies them according to size. Different mesh sizes allow the system to separate the rubber granules into multiple grades. These rubber particles can be used in products such as playground flooring, rubber mats, road construction materials, and other recycled rubber applications. Through this complete process, waste tires are transformed into three valuable materials: rubber powder, rubber granules, and steel wire. This recycling system not only helps reduce environmental pollution caused by discarded tires, but also creates new resources that can be reused in various industries.